Thank you, Namaskar. This is a Japanese way. I work for a Japanese organization for 11 years or so. So first, it's my honor to be here on this dais, which Sri Ram Bahadur ji, Professor Goel, Professor Kalla, in presence of you, and thanks for it, Professor Kalla, inviting me on this dais. I was there in such of one of these seats once in 86 when I did my post-graduation in biotechnology, and somewhere in 91 when I completed my PhD from IIT Roorkee. I feel young to be today among you, all of you. It's my pleasure to be here, present here, and it's a privilege. Honestly speaking, it's a great day for all of you who has got the degrees here. You are starting a new journey, so it's a milestone day for you in life. From here, you have a wings to fly. Somewhere we go in the academics, some will go into the industry, somewhere you will make your own businesses. And I think this was my first time to be on this platform at SGT University. I never knew this. You have such a huge, so many platforms here and so many students here. It's really pleasure to be here. Little bit on a couple of points on Fariba. It's a typical name. You may not heard this name Fariba before. It's my company, my organization. And basically 70 years before, one gentleman called Atsushi Fariba started this company in Japan, in Kyoto. And that's how you will know Tata, Birla's, other things. So from the surname becomes the name of the company. So it becomes the name of the company as Fariba. We have completed 70 years. So I think day after tomorrow, 26th January, is our 70th anniversary. We are going to celebrate a lot. Coming back to the purpose of Professor Kalla to call me here to make it understand. You all here, we heard about academia. You are all academics. So many deans here, so many everybody's faculties here. So it's all academia. I will say, India is producing so many degrees, so many PhD degrees, so many certificates, diplomas, these things. But somewhere we are still lagging behind in the industry and academia relationship. If you go to US, you go to Europe, okay, they work together. Industry and academia work together. But somewhere here we are coming together, but still we are more or less a parallel journey. We produce degrees and then we produce PhDs, and PhD produce PhDs, and they produce so many research papers. Honestly speaking, research has no meaning unless it is not used by the common man. Otherwise, it's no use of producing the research papers or not so. I think time has come for India. Everybody is making a foot forward when industry and academia should work together, no more relationship. So keeping that in mind, I invite you, my students, if you wanted to work for Fariba. So I will leave to your deans and everything, I will leave my number and contact things. We can think of, you have so many qualifications here. We have 5 businesses. I don't want to give the full profile of the company, but you can go to the website at www.hariba.com. But this gives we are in automotive. We have automotive R&D. We are in medical. We have a lot of IVD products for us. We are in process and environmental. We are in semiconductor business. We are in scientific instruments business. So there is Hariba is an engineering company, and by application we have various products and other things also. It's a $2.4 billion worldwide organization with 49 companies worldwide. In India, we are around 700 crores with 600 people. We have various offices here. Nagpur is our headquarters for medical. Pune is our headquarters for automotive. So I welcome you all. Even if you don't want it to work, maybe come with us, see the facility. Maybe it will help you to come make your interest into the industry. If you wanted to work for industry tomorrow, not for Hariba or for any industry, it will give some glimpse to you that how the industry works. Honestly speaking, you may not believe how the academia works in India and how the industry works in India. Totally two different worlds. You will you will find drastically two different words when you go to the industry or academia. Maybe you have to settle it in your mind if you have to work towards it. But in the future, maybe who knows that it is become much closer for you. And also one more important last point is that we have a Horiba India Technical School out of Nagpur. We give a lot of diplomas and postgraduate courses for, especially in the pathology, who has done the pathology, and because we are in IVD, so and we are associated with the Nagpur University for degree, and for diploma comes from Nagpur University. And I will work, Professor Kalra, with you. Can we work SGT and Hariba together? Can we have some type of institute together? We can open a small campus here, lab here, something. I'm honestly speaking, I don't have in mind what's today, but standing here, I can definitely see a possibilities that we can work together, and that's how can start for our students the idea what type of instrumentations are. So many times you get only a PowerPoint presentations, degrees or study in your classrooms. You never had an experience of really working on wet labs or putting your instruments on hand. So we have those labs. We have one lab in ISC Bangalore for our scientific instruments. We have a lab in IIT Delhi. We have a Nagpur University. We have so many labs up there, so that can work together. I don't know, honestly speaking, how we can work together, but definitely we can think how to work together. And anyway, for you people, I can guarantee you, industry is a different world, but it's a very exciting world for you. So if you wanted to choose your career, if you are thinking only academics, please don't think that way. Industry is also open for you. So I wish you all the best for your future career in your life, everywhere. Thank you.